don't really care about the quality, so on something like this, I might increase the layer height so that the print time is dramatically lower, and it also doesn't consume the life of my printer as fast. Let's go for it. They both survived. Let's try it again. This is crazy. Okay, it's just like a bouncy ball. Let's throw it a little bit harder. There we go. I kind of had to tuss it down quite a bit to get it to break. Is worth more than if they fall off. You don't want them to break. And while I'm, oops, sorry, mister. While I'm doing these, I'm gonna put him right here. He's gonna act as my little bodyguard, so if pieces shoot out, they'll just hit him. And I think he's gonna be okay.
No.
All right, thank you, man.
Have a good one.
Yeah, I guess he'll fist bump. There you go. All right, so I'm here with Doom Man over here, and as you can see, he is his costume. Like. To show you this new tool, I think it's gonna be a little bit easier to first show you the old tool. To do that, I'm gonna grab this model, this dragon, this Fat Boo. I guess that's what it's called, Fat Boo. And when it comes to the 10-inch printer, there's really only one baby for me, and that's my M3 Premium. All the others, they can go burn. Okay, now we're getting to the big heavy boys. Let me go get the other one. This thing is by far the heaviest 3D printer I own. It's like twice as much as the. This one puts the USB on the front, but it does have that stupid dongle thing here on the back. So everyone kind of knows what a suction cup is. So let's say I sprayed some water on my desk here. I take my little cup and I put it upside down, try to get a seal. That's a suction cup. Well, the thing is, this mouse, as it's being printed,
Web.
the next terminology is making sure that your printer is level. But when we say that, we don't mean this. The next part of the video we're going to talk about is post-processing.
All right, well, it's good to meet you, man.
But anyway, I think that covers it for this one. You know the drill by now. Like and subscribe to the Lychee YouTube channel so I can continue making content like this for you. And if you could, please, if you haven't already, join us on the Lychee Slicer Discord so you can get help for resin 3D printing, filament printing, or just, well, have a conversation to me. I would love it if you reached out and said hello. And as always, thank you for watching, and have a good day.